Welcome back to Turbo Ride USA. This rugged, off-road electric Suzuki-style bike is conceived as a bold fusion of industrial strength, military-inspired aesthetics, and cutting-edge electric mobility, designed to project power, durability, and uncompromising performance at first glance. The overall shape of the bike is compact yet muscular, with a short wheelbase that emphasizes agility while maintaining a grounded, planted stance thanks to its extremely wide fat tires. These oversized tires dominate the visual identity of the motorcycle, instantly communicating its off-road intent. Wrapped in thick, aggressive, knobby tread patterns and intentionally coated with realistic dirt and grime, the tires suggest relentless use across mud, sand, rocks, and uneven terrain. The sidewalls are tall and reinforced, giving the bike a squat, bulldog-like posture that feels ready to conquer harsh environments. The rims are heavy-duty, matte black alloy wheels with reinforced spokes or solid industrial cutouts designed to withstand extreme torque and impact while maintaining a clean, utilitarian look. The frame is the backbone of the entire design and reflects a heavy-duty philosophy inspired by military-grade machinery. Constructed visually as a thick, exposed structure, the frame uses angular lines and strong geometric forms rather than smooth curves, reinforcing an industrial design language. Weld points, bolts, and structural joints are intentionally visible, giving the bike a raw, mechanical honesty. The matte military green finish applied to the frame contrasts strongly with deep black components, creating a stealthy and tactical appearance. This green is not glossy or decorative. Instead, it has a flat, subdued tone that absorbs light, enhancing the rugged character of the bike while minimizing reflections. The black accents, used on the swing arm, fork, motor housing, and protective panels, add visual weight and balance, making the bike appear solid and grounded. The body panels are compact and minimal, avoiding unnecessary bulk while still providing protection for critical components. Each panel follows sharp, purposeful lines that flow naturally with the frame's geometry. The Suzuki logo is prominently written on the body, integrated cleanly into the side panels or battery housing, reinforcing brand identity without overpowering the design. The logo appears either in subtle white or distressed metallic lettering, as if it has endured years of use in demanding conditions. The battery casing itself is a central visual element, shaped like a reinforced industrial module rather than a hidden component. It sits low in the chassis to keep the center of gravity down, enhancing stability, and its casing features ridges, vents, and protective plates that resemble armored equipment. Exposed mechanical parts play a critical role in the bike's visual storytelling. Rather than hiding cables, mounts, and functional elements, the design celebrates them. Thick wiring looms, protective conduits, and reinforced brackets are visible, giving the impression that every component is built for endurance. The electric motor housing is robust and sculpted, finished in matte black with subtle metallic textures that catch light realistically in a product photography setting. Cooling fins and protective guards add to the industrial aesthetic, while also suggesting functional thermal management. The chain or belt drive system is partially exposed, framed by heavy protective covers that maintain safety without concealing the mechanical beauty of the system. The front suspension is aggressive and purposeful, featuring thick, inverted forks finished in matte black with military green highlights or subtle wear marks. These forks appear capable of absorbing extreme shocks, with visible adjusters and reinforced clamps adding to the high detail realism. The rear suspension is equally muscular, often designed as a monoshock or dual shock system, with exposed springs and dampers, emphasizing mechanical strength and off-road readiness. Each suspension component looks engineered rather than styled, prioritizing performance while contributing to the bike's brutal industrial charm. The front end of the bike is defined by a compact, aggressive headlight assembly that blends modern electric bike minimalism with rugged off-road functionality. The headlight is typically a rectangular or circular LED unit encased in a protective metal housing, finished in matte black with visible bolts and guards. The lighting design is sharp and focused, producing realistic reflections and highlights that enhance the ultra-realistic product photography style of the bike. Protective grills or metal frames around the headlight reinforce the military-inspired aesthetic, suggesting resilience against debris and impact. Small auxiliary lights may be integrated subtly, adding both functionality and visual complexity without cluttering the design. The handlebars are wide and sturdy, designed for maximum control during aggressive off-road riding. They feature textured grips, reinforced handguards, and exposed mounting hardware that contributes to the raw mechanical look. Switchgear is minimal but robust, with tactile buttons and rugged housings that appear weatherproof and durable. The digital display is compact and functional, possibly integrated into a small, armored housing that shows speed, battery level, and ride modes without distracting from the bike's clean, industrial appearance. Cables running from the handlebars are neatly routed, but still visible, reinforcing the honest, mechanical nature of the design. The seat design prioritizes both comfort and ruggedness, featuring a low-profile, flat silhouette that complements the compact body. Upholstered in black, textured material with reinforced stitching, the seat looks built to endure harsh conditions while providing stability during aggressive riding. The seat base is slim and integrates seamlessly with the rear frame, allowing for easy movement and control. The rear section of the bike is short and muscular with minimal overhang, enhancing maneuverability and reinforcing the bike's compact proportions. A small rear fender or mudguard is integrated closely to the tire, often showing dirt splatter and wear to enhance realism. The braking system is powerful and visually dominant, featuring oversized disc brakes with industrial-style calipers finished in black or dark metallic tones. Brake lines are reinforced and visible, adding to the high-detail mechanical aesthetic. Each component feels over-engineered in the best way, suggesting reliability and stopping power in extreme terrain. The pedals or foot pegs are wide and aggressively textured, designed to provide grip even in muddy or wet conditions. These pegs are mounted on reinforced brackets that visually connect them to the frame, reinforcing structural integrity. Surface textures play a vital role in making the bike appear ultra-realistic. The matte finishes absorb light softly, while exposed metal parts show subtle wear, scratches, and dirt accumulation. The thick, knobby tires display realistic mud caking between the treads, and the frame shows faint scuffs and abrasions that suggest real-world use rather than showroom perfection. Realistic lighting highlights edges, bolts, and contours, creating depth and contrast that elevate the bike into a premium product photography presentation. Shadows are sharp yet natural, grounding the bike in its environment and emphasizing its three-dimensional form. Overall, this off-road electric Suzuki-style bike represents a powerful statement of rugged design and functional beauty. Every aspect, from its wide, fat tires and heavy-duty frame to its exposed mechanical parts and military green and black color scheme, works together to create a machine that feels ready for extreme terrain and demanding riders. The industrial design language, combined with ultra-realistic textures and sharp focus, transforms the bike into more than just a vehicle. It becomes a symbol of strength, resilience, and modern electric performance, engineered to dominate both visually and mechanically in the world of off-road mobility.
Please like and subscribe for more real videos.